Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? I hope you are delighted today, and I am also delighted today by the grace of Almighty of Allah. And now we are making third video, and with me Mr. Asif and Mr. Tuhin. So today's topic is traveling. We will make some conversations about traveling. So first of all, I would like to ask some question about traveling to Mr. Asif. How are you, Mr. Asif?
I am over the moon
Okay.
today.
Okay, today you are over the moon. So first question to you, do you like travel?
Yeah, I travel a lot.
Okay. Okay, so why do you like to do travel?
I like to do several activities when I go to new places. For instance, I like to play games. I like to visit local markets. I like to drink local drinks. I like to take a picture, and that's it.
Okay. So do you like to travel with your friends or family?
I like to travel with my family because I can have financial support. I can buy everything with my family. I can spend quality full time with my family. I feel safe with my family, and this is.
Okay. So, and why don't you like to travel with your friends?
No, I don't like with my friends.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Mr. Asif, for your nice answer, and I hope you will make another new video. So
Okay.
now I would like to ask some question to Mr. Tuhin. How are you, Mr. Tuhin?
Yes, I am delighted.
Okay, you are delighted today. So, same question I am asking to you. Do you like travel?
Yeah, I like travel. I travel a lot.
Okay. So why do you like to do travel?
I like go to several activities when I go to new places. For instance, I like to know about new culture. I like to eat traditional food. I like to take a picture. I like to visit local market. I like to drink. I like to drink local drinks.
Yeah.
This is.
Okay, this is. So now my another question to you. Do you like to travel with your friends or family?
I could not understand. Repeat again for repeat.
Okay, I'm repeating my question again. Do you like to travel with your friends or family?
Yeah. I like to go with my. I like to go with my family because I can have financial support. I can secure. I can buy everything with my family. I can buy everything with my family. I feel safe with my family. This is.
Okay. So okay, thanks for today. I hope you have enjoyed this conversation, and I think that if you make this kind of video every day, if you will be able to do this kind of video, then your fluency will be increased and you will get self-confidence to yourself, so that you can get a good score in IELTS examination. You know that if you practice a lot, language will be like a playing for you. Like when I started my journey, it was so hard for me, but nowadays I can make some sentences, I can speak a little bit. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if we have any kind of mistakes, pardon us, because we are learner and we are a child of this language. Thanks for today. Allah Hafiz. Tada.
Thank you, Mummy. Tata.
Thanks all.